Types and typification of plant names. In type concept has enormous importance and impact in plant taxonomy and revisionary studies. Taxonomy, a science of classification, orderly arrangement of phenomenon to facilitate the efforts of mind to understand them, Fosburg, Jafar and Sackett in 1965. Nomenclature, naming of organism, process of determining the correct name for unit according to code. Nomenclature, a plant's name is key to its literature. Taxonomy, nomenclature is a mechanism for ambiguous communications about the elements of taxonomy and biodiversity. Elements of taxonomy renders information on patterns of biodiversity. A plant name is key to its literature in nomenclature. In taxonomy, nomenclature is a mechanism for ambiguous communication about the elements of taxonomy, and in biodiversity, elements of taxonomy renders information on patterns of biodiversity. A plant name is key to its literature. Nomenclature is a mechanism for ambiguous communication about the elements of taxonomy. Elements of taxonomy renders information and patterns of biodiversity. Nomenclature aims at universal applicability, international acceptance, stability. Nomenclature, why need? Biologists must know what organism they are working with before they can pass on information about them to other people, a function of taxonomy which makes stability of nomenclature an important consideration. Davis and Haywood, Principle of Angiosperm Taxonomy in 1963. Biological nomenclature is the means of channeling the outputs of systematic research for general consumption. It is not only the taxonomist's concern, but is of relevance for all those who need to communicate about organisms. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, St. Louis, Preface P. 16. International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi and Plants, ICN. Previously and until 2011, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN, aims for one correct name identifier for each taxonomic group. Taxon accepted worldwide. One taxon will have one correct name and one name should refer to one particular taxon. Principle 4. Based on two major and fundamental principles, type concept, principle 2, and priority, principle 3. Importance of typification, one of the six principles which form the basis of the system of nomenclature governed by the code. The second one is on type, an exclusive section 2 even prior to priority in code ICN. The sixth principle. First, the nomenclature of algae, fungi and plants is independent of zoological and prokaryotic nomenclature. Second, the application of names of taxonomic group is determined by means of nomenclatural type. Third, the nomenclature of a taxonomic group is based upon priority of publication. Fourth, each taxonomic group with a particular circumscription, position and rank can bear only one correct name. The earliest that is in accordance with the rule except in specified cases. Fifth, scientific name of taxonomic group are treated as Latin regardless of their derivation. And sixth, the rules of nomenclature are retroactive unless expressly limited. A type, nomenclatural typo in biological nomenclature is that element to which a name of a taxon is permanently attached. Article 7.2 ICN. Type is an authentic or standard specimen. Type is the objective basis to which a given name is permanently linked. Type method helps in correct application of names to taxa. Type does not change with classification. Application of names determined by for family type of name of genus, genus type of name of species, species a specimen or illustration till 31st December 2006. Article 7.1 ICN. Brief history. In 1836, Refensky has used the term type. In 1867, Alfonso de Candolle mentioned about type in his Luis de la Botanica nomenclature. In 1892, Rochester Congress beginning was made, importance was laid, uh, each species must be based on a specified herbarium specimen, which is to be its nomenclatural type, to pave way for stabilization of names. In 1907, American Code, type-based code, type concept gained recognition as a principle and laid rules. In 1910, International Botanical Congress, Brussels, Belgium, recommended to indicate carefully the type while publishing a novelty in any rank. In 1930, International Botanical Congress held at Cambridge, United Kingdom, type method was accepted, incorporated in the ICBN in 1935. Amsterdam Code was published. In 1935, the 6th IBC Amsterdam, Netherlands, application of names of taxonomic group is determined by means of nomenclatural type was made a principle of the code. In 1950, 6th IBC Stockholm, Sweden, type concept will establish recommendation provided guidance for determining various types. Various types, holotype, the one specimen or illustration used or designated by the author as nomenclatural type. Rajendran and Daniel in 1996 in Botanical Survey of India, Clerodendron andamanensis, mole, Rajendran and Daniel, South Andamans, North Caribbean, cow, sea coos, Clerodendron lacavensis, King and Gamble, variety Andamanensis, mole, South Andamans, North Caribbean cow, yes coos. From the holotype of Eugenia sebensis, Stan Euchre et al., a fragment was removed, mounted on a sheet along with photograph of type and label fragment of type in different herbarium. The code states it is not a fragment of type as it is not in the same herbarium of holotype but only a duplicate isotype. Cross-labeling. When parts of a single specimen from same gathering are mounted on more than one sheet and clearly labeled to be so are considered to belong to one type. In case of multiple sheets, not clearly labeled to be parts are only duplicates through parts may belong to single specimen gathered at one time. Article 8.3. Isotype, any duplicate or replicate specimen of holotype from a single gathering made at one time of the holotype. Article 9.5. Paratype, specimens cited in protologue to support to draw the description of new taxon other than holo and iso. Article 9.7. Syntype, any specimen cited in protologue when no holotype was designated. Article 9.6. Lectotype, specimen and illustration selected from original material when no holotype was indicated or missing. Article 9.3. Designation of a lectotype should be undertaken only in the light of an understanding of the group concerned in choosing a lectotype. All aspects of the protologue should be considered as a basic guide mechanical method such as the automatic selection of the first element cited or of a specimen collected by the person after whom a species is named should be avoided as unscientific and productive of possible future confusion and further changes. When new taxon is made, its name cannot be based on lectotype. For example, Persea himalayensis invalid because no holotype indicate three specimen. Persea himalayensis, Yam Gangok, X Yam Gangok and V.S. Kumar, no valid since the authors used term lectotype, did not use the term type or holotype, but used the term lectotype, contrary the code to the code article 40.6. Holotype, lectotype or neotype qualifies to be so only if it is a single specimen gathered at one time. According to Article 8.1, not a living organism, Article 8.4, not illustration on or after 1st January 2007, Article 40.4, and permanently preserved in a herbarium or institution, Article 8.4, and specified on or after 1st January 1990, Article 9.21 and 9.22. No type has been designated. Original material consists of 9 specimens in the herbarium. In 1985, Breedlaw label 1 specimen lectotype not effectively published. Article 7, designation of a type is achieved only by effective publication. 2015, Valencia et al. Effectively published the same specimen as lectotype but did not mention type designated here. Article 7.11 after 1st January 2001. 2017, Nixon and Barry fulfill all requirements. Quercus acutifolia, Ni,